Hi guys, in this video you will see how easy it is to install fonts on a Mac. For that I have two methods. The first method is super easy. Go to the folder where you downloaded the font, unzip it, and you'll see all the font files. I prefer installing the OTF files just because of the extra features this file has. To install the font, just double click on it and press install font. You'll then see the font installed with all its characters. To check if the font is installed and working, you can go to Illustrator, create a new document, and type what we want. For example, graphic delivery. Change the font to our just installed one. It's working, that's great. The second method is good for installing multiple fonts at once. Go to the download folder, unzip the file, and select both OTF files from the font family and copy them. Here is the trick. In the top menu, select Go and you'll see the drop menu. There, if you press the Alt button, you'll see the library item appearing. Select it. On the new window, go to Fonts and paste the copied font files. Let's see if they're working. Go to Illustrator and create a new document. Start typing your text. Change the font to your just installed one. It is working. For the extras, duplicate the text and change the font from regular to extras. You'll see that behind all the letters there are symbols. Keep the one you really like and place it to look good. Now you have a fancy underlined handwritten text. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you!